Kimberly Olson here, also known as the Gold Digger Girl. I have a treat for you today. This is how you can use Claude to be able to create your own app very quickly. And the best part is you can use it to generate leads. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and it's free. So that's pretty awesome. Now you might need to, I don't know if you can do what I'm going to show you on the free version of Claude, but I think you can. Really, Claude just limits you on how much you're using it on the free version. And then we're going to actually create the app is a free software. So I'm on the free version of it. If you're going to use it a lot, you probably have to end up paying. But just to start, this is a free way for you to get leads. Yes, you heard that right. So the first thing you want to think about is what can you make? What can you turn into an app? Think about your avatar, your customer clients. What would make their lives easier? What's just an easy tool that they can use that they wish they had? So what I'm going to do for this demo is I'm actually going to create a meal planning app. So I have PhDs in natural health and holistic nutrition, and I have overhauled my entire diet the last few months. So I only eat clean. I don't eat sugar. I don't eat carbs unless they're clean carbs like green vegetables. It's very strict. And I had to come up with a whole meal plan for my family to make sure, everybody was getting nourished and all the things. So I did it in Trello. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I took a screenshot. I'm going to paste it right here of my Trello board. So let's say you have a daily activity tracker, which I'm going to show you. Let's say you have a tracker you use to manage your leads. Just think about your business and what you do. Maybe workouts, maybe finances. Oh, finances would be a really good one. Maybe a budget. So what I'm going to do is say, can you reference this menu planner I made and help me turn it into an app? I want the focus to be clean eating for families. When I want a way for them to be able to move things around on the planner, etc. Okay, let's just see what it comes up with. And so what I'm going to do is while it's working on that, I'm going to pause it just so you're not sitting here staring at it. Hold on one sec. All right, let me show you what it came up with. I actually like this. I feel like it's just cleaner. I do have to track my macros because of net carbs and stuff like that, but you probably don't have to. So that's what's cool about this is people can customize it. So do it however you want to, but this is what it came up with. My screenshot showed through Friday, so it literally went through Friday. So I just said, go through Sunday and put macros on there because I need to know them. So Monday through Sunday. And then this is cool. It has an interactive grocery list, weekly macros, week at a glance. I would probably do daily macros for this. For a lot of you, you want to get more protein in. So this would be a good way for you to see. And also this is just dinner. It's really so that way you can have the clean eating for your family, plan all of that, but you could absolutely build out your planner. So it had breakfast and lunch. It could be for one person. Okay. So after you do that, you're going to say to it, I want, please write me a prompt I can use in Base 44 to create an app, create this app inside of that platform. So in order for you to make it interactive where somebody could actually download the app or at least load the app into their own account, you will need to do it in Base 44. So if you've not used Base 44, just go to app.base44.com. Let me just type it in and see what comes up just while we're waiting for that. Okay, just go to Base, B-A-S-E 44, so the number's 4. Just go to base44.com, okay? I'm going to include my daily activity tracker, which is a way for you to manage your money-making activities each day, just making sure you're focusing on the right things in your business. I made it in Base 44. I'm going to include it for free below this video. So when you click it, it's going to prompt you to create a Base 44 account. So just do that right now. So that way you have an account with them, and then you can go ahead and do these steps that I'm teaching you in this video, okay? I just logged in with my Google account to do that. So we have everything we need. Okay, so this is what we need to put into Base 44, okay? So here's your prompt. So go ahead and copy all of this all the way down till that last part there. And then you are going to go over to Base 44. So this is what my daily activity tracker looks like. And let me show you how cool this is. This is an app I built. When somebody clicks this, they literally, it's real. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like a Google sheet that they have to update. It's in real time. They can track their progress, right? And click it off. They can click goals and set goals, and they can get an overview. So if anyone tells me, I'm not making money, I'm going to say, did you do your daily activity? Did you work on your business? And then when you publish this is key. Publish it so that public login required. Okay. There are different choices. Do login required because you want them to log in to access it. And here's the link for it. And now I have an app to share with people. How cool is that? And then after you do that, you'll go to dashboard and click users, and you can see the people who have grabbed it, and you can put them on your email list. Just make sure you do a double opt-in for that, because you're just going to want to do that. Okay, so let's go back to Kimberly's workspace. Okay, so just click the little base 44. Now we're going to paste that app prompt in here. So this is my prompt from Claude. So let's just click send, and then I can go ahead and build it out. And it might ask some qualifying questions. I'm going to build this out. Here are the components. Let me start. Okay. So it's thinking on building it. I'm going to pause this, but I will let you know roughly how long it took. And that way you can kind of get an idea. The nice thing is you can work on something else while it's doing it, right? So just let it do its thing, and then let's see what it comes up with. All right, let me show you what it came up with. I did choose a pretty complicated app to demo, but that's okay. So the way it first had it, it was just, actually, let me show you what I told it, because I want to show you, here, let me show you. So I said, is there a way to make this so that they can choose their dinner off of a list and build it themselves, more interactive? I don't like how bulky the, so I basically just told it what I did and did not like, and it fixed it. Probably took maybe 5 minutes to make all the changes and build it out. So it's like, I have a clear picture, it did everything, rewrote it, so on and so forth. Okay, so here's the end result. So we have the whole week, we have a planner, we can add and delete things. We have a grocery list tab, which I love. And then we have stats. And I actually said, can you do daily? So we have weekly and then daily. And this is great because if somebody, this is just their dinner, but if you wanted to do breakfast and lunch, somebody could easily see where they're at with their protein. I could add net carbs on here for someone like me who is just doing really, really clean right now and very tight schedule there with the net carb intake. But as you can see, this is awesome. So just a quick refresher, after you get it how you want it, click publish. Make sure it says public login required. Click publish app. It'll circulate and give you a URL. That is your app link to share. And then after you actually get people opting into it, go to dashboard and go to users. And then it's going to show you who opted in here for that, which is super cool. So I did include my money-making activities tracker. That's an interactive app to give you an example of something that you can use today. And that was built in base 44. And a reminder, I have a whole entire series on Claude. First, I start with ChatGPT versus Claude so you can see the difference. Claude is way more advanced. It can build funnels and stuff like that for you. I think Chat will get there, but I do think that you need both. It can make really beautiful PDFs and brochures and create graphics for you. I show you how to create content in Canva. I show you how to build out your entire social media content with a click of a button and it go into Google Sheets or Asana or whatever it is that you use to plan, and it's all automated. It's so cool. So make sure you look at the past videos. Just click videos and it'll show you the most recent ones. This is our Claude tutorial series. And if this was helpful, hit that button to subscribe. I don't want you to miss anything. And I really appreciate you watching. Until next time, get lit in your business and set your soul on fire. We'll see you soon.